Welcome, viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 10 wall ovens in the market. Let's dive into the details of each model, starting with our number 1 pick. Number 1. AMChef 24 inches electric wall oven. AMZCHEF's 24 inches electric wall oven stands out with 11 functions and 8 automatic recipes. Boasting a 2.5 cu F capacity, stainless steel finish, touch control, timer, and safety lock, it's a versatile and user-friendly choice. Pros: 11 functions and 8 automatic recipes for versatile cooking. Spacious 2.5 cu F capacity. Stainless steel design with touch control and safety lock. Cons: potential learning curve for the touch controls. Number 2. Empava 24 inches electric single wall oven. Empava's 24 electric single wall oven features a 2.5 cu Ft capacity with basic broil and bake functions. Crafted with stainless steel and mechanical knobs, it provides a straightforward and reliable cooking experience. Pros: 2.5 cu Ft capacity for ample cooking space. Stainless steel construction ensures durability. Mechanical knobs for easy control. Cons: may lack advanced features for some users. Number 3. Costway 24 inches single wall oven. Costway's 24 inches single wall oven offers a 2.47 cu Ft capacity with 5 cooking functions, 360 degrees rotisserie, and a timer. Its stainless steel build and mechanical knobs provide reliability and ease of use. Pros: 2.47 cu featuring capacity with 5 cooking functions. 360 degrees rotisserie feature enhances cooking versatility. Stainless steel design and mechanical knobs for durability. Cons: limited cooking functions compared to some competitors. Number 4. Empava 24 inches gas wall oven. Empava's 24 gas wall oven comes with a 2.3 cu Ft capacity, bake, broil, and rotisserie functions, featuring mechanical controls and a built-in timer. The stainless steel construction adds a touch of modernity. Pros: gas-powered for efficient cooking. Bake, broil, and rotisserie functions. Stainless steel build with a built-in timer. Cons: convection fan not mentioned, may lack certain features. Number 5. Thermomate 24 inches electric wall oven. Thermomate's 24 electric wall oven offers a 2.3 cu Ft capacity, 5 cooking functions, and 2000 W power. With a white built-in design and mechanical knobs control, it brings simplicity and efficiency to the kitchen. Pros: 2.3 cu featuring capacity with 5 cooking functions. 2000 W power for quick and efficient cooking. White built-in design with mechanical knobs control. Cons: limited information on advanced features. Number 6. GE Profile's Smart Countertop Oven. GE Profile's Smart Countertop Oven is an 11-in-1 appliance with a large capacity design in sleek black. Offering a variety of functions, it stands out as a versatile and space-saving option. Pros: 11-in-1 functionality for diverse cooking options. Large capacity countertop oven. Smart features like no preheat for efficient use. Cons: may have a steeper learning curve for advanced functions. Number 7. Hike Crew Outdoor Gas Camping Oven. Hike Crew's outdoor gas camping oven is a portable propane-powered 2-burner stove and oven combination. CSA approved, it's ideal for outdoor cooking with auto ignition and safety features. Pros: portable and ideal for outdoor use. CSA approved with safety features. 2-burner stove and oven combo for versatile cooking. Cons. Limited to outdoor use, may not suit indoor needs. Number 8. Dalexo 24 feet electric single wall oven. Dalzo's 24 feet electric single wall oven boasts a 2.6 cubic feet capacity, 8 functions, and a 360 degrees rotisserie. With mechanical knobs, a safety lock, and a stylish stainless steel build, it combines functionality with aesthetics. Pros: 2.6 cubic feet capacity with 8 functions, 360 degrees rotisserie for enhanced cooking options, stylish stainless steel design with safety lock. Cons: limited information on specific advanced features. Number 9. Gaslin Chef ES606MB 24 inches built-in electric oven. Gaslin Chef's ES606MB is a 24 inches built-in electric oven with a 2.3 cu, featuring capacity and 6 cooking functions. With a focus on grilling and a stainless steel finish, it caters to those seeking diverse cooking options. Pros: 2.3 cu, featuring capacity with 6 cooking functions. Emphasis on grilling for versatile meals. Built-in design with a sleek stainless steel finish. Cons: limited information on additional features. Number 10. Thermometer 24 inches electric wall oven. Thermomate's 24 electric wall oven offers 5 cooking functions, 2000 W power, and a white built-in design with mechanical knobs control. ETL certified, it combines simplicity with safety. Pros: 5 cooking functions for various recipes. 2000 W power ensures efficient cooking. White built-in design with mechanical knobs control. Cons: limited details on advanced features. In conclusion, these top 10 wall ovens cater to a range of preferences and needs, from advanced smart features to reliable basics. Consider your cooking style and kitchen requirements when choosing the one that suits you best.